Hi students! So in my webpage I talked about a free download called GeoGebra. So once you've actually downloaded it and opened it, this is what you should see. I have my X and Y axis, and for the purposes of this project we're not going to be using it, so I'm actually going to right click and disable it. So let's just go over really quickly a few things I think you should know so you can complete this project. If I wanted to create a line segment, I can drop down to this third box and I have a line segment here. So let's create a line segment, my starting point and my ending point. Notice to the left hand side you have points A and B and your actual length. If I wanted to move the line segment, I have to make sure I hit the mouse button and then I'm able to move any blue vertex. So once I have my line segment, let's say I wanted to create a perpendicular line to my line segment. If I go down to the fourth box in the drop-down menu, I can create a few things. So we're going to create a perpendicular line. So all I have to do to create a perpendicular line is just click on the line itself. So now I have my perpendicular line and I can move it anywhere across my line segment. Say I want it about there. So let's say I didn't want my line segment there after all. I can move it. So if I move my endpoint, notice that my perpendicular line stays perpendicular to my line segment because that's how we constructed it. So the last thing we're going to go over is how to create a polygon. So if you go down to the fifth box where this little triangle is, they have a drop-down menu, you can create a polygon or a regular polygon. Let's create a regular polygon. So I can pick where I want my first vertex to be, right about there. And my second vertex right about there. Now it's going to ask me to enter the number of vertices I want for this polygon. If I wanted to create a triangle, I'm going to enter 3. So now I have a regular triangle. If I wanted to move the orientation or actually move my triangle, I can, clicking the mouse, and now I can move a blue vertex. If I want to create a bigger triangle, notice that it stays regular because that's how we constructed it. All right, so I want you to become more familiar with this software. This is what you're going to be using as part of your geometry project. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, I'll see you in class tomorrow. Bye.